Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to archive and restore your chats in ChatGPT. So one way of keeping your chat library or chat history organized is by archiving all the chats that you no longer need. So this is an alternative to deleting them, which is permanent and they can no longer be recovered. Whereas if you archive a chat, you can still restore them and go back to them for when you need them. So to get started, open up ChatGPT and look for a chat that you'd like to archive. So let's say this one right here. It's just a random prompt for some food, and let's say I have no use for it anymore and I want to archive it. That way I keep my workspace tidy. So I'm just going to mouse over the chat in the chat list. I'm going to click on the context menu that appears. And then here I'm going to click on archive. So as you can see, you can now view archive chats in settings at the top. That's just to let you know where you can find them when you want to go back to them. So let's go ahead and go to our settings panel. To restore it, simply click on your account icon at the bottom left-hand side of your screen, click on settings, and then in here, look for data controls. So click on data controls and you should see an option here, right here, archive chats. Go ahead and click on manage and you should be able to see all the chats that you've archived and when they were created. So this is the chat that we've just archived, and let's say I want to restore it. I would simply click on this button right here to unarchive the conversation. And it should be noted that there's also an option to permanently delete it right beside the unarchive button. So just be careful you don't click on the wrong thing. I'm going to click on unarchive and it should show up in our recent chat history once we click out of here, and it's right here back in our chat list. So it's really that quick and that easy, and this is a great feature to be familiar with. Think of it like archiving old emails, for example. That's going to be it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.